Hello kids, welcome to the session at Learn Forward platform by Feathercap. I'm your English facilitator Garima Singh to make your learning easy and fun. So let's begin. Hope you all are ready with your books Fly High Class 1. So now we'll be doing chapter 3 that says please help. Okay. So it's a poem about a little child who is curious to count the stars. Let's read the poem and enjoy. So, it's a poem that is about a child who wants to count the stars. And do you think, is it possible to count the stars? Can we count the stars? No, we cannot count the stars because there are so many stars in the sky. Okay, so now we have a small activity. Find 3 words from each of these words. The words you find should have at least 2 letters. So now they have given us 6 set of words and they're asking us to make words from the words which they have given. So we need to make 3 words from the words they have given, and one is done for us, like the word was cupboard. So we could make 3 words: up, cup and board, and the condition is that the word should have at least 2 letters. All right, it has to be a word of 2 letters. We cannot make a word less than so we need to make a word that has minimum 2 letters, like it, off, on, right? So let's start. The word is vegetable. So which all words can be made from this word? Right. The first word can be table. Next, very good, it can be able. And the next word can be veggie. It can be eat. Okay, so let's write eat. Now coming to the next, the word is cabbage. So it's a vegetable, and the words which can be made is very good. It can be a bag, excellent, cab, and age. Right? So similarly, you can try for the next word. All right. So this is the way we have to create words from the words given, and we have to make 3 words, and the word should be of minimum 2 letters. Right. So coming to the next, let's read the poem. There is a little problem. Maybe you can help. I was counting stars. My mother said sleep. I asked, how many? My mother said, as many as drops in the sea. So the little boy says that, I have a problem and I just want your help. I was, maybe you can help me. I mean, I need your help if you could help me in counting the stars. And my mother was saying that it's time to sleep, but I was saying that, that I need to count the stars. And the little boy asked his mother that how many stars are there in the sky. And the mother replied that as many drops in the sea. So she said, as many drops as a sea has, the sky has those many stars. So we can neither count the drops in the ocean or the sea, right? We cannot count the drops of water in the sea, nor we can count the stars in the sky. So the boy says, I live on a mountain. You all know what is a mountain. It's a pahar. If you've been to a hill station, you must have seen a mountain, right? Far from the sea. It will be so nice if you count it for me. Okay. So the boy says that I live on a mountain which is far away from the sea. So he says that I'm not able to count even the drops of water in the sea. So it would be so nice of you if you could help me in counting the drops in the sea, because the mother compared it with the drops of sea, that as many drops of water are there in the sea, the same number of stars are there in the sky. So this was a sweet little poem, and the boy was not able to count the stars. He wanted to do so, and the mother was continuously asking him to sleep. And when he asked his mother how many stars are there in the sky, the mother said, because she knew that it is not possible to count the stars, so she said that as much of drops of water are there in the sea, similar number of stars are there in the sky, right? So now, what was the little child doing? What was the little child doing? Absolutely correct. The child was trying to count the stars in the sky. Where did the little child live? Where did he live? He lived in a mountain. Right. He lived on a mountain, sorry. Now, we can see many things in the sky during the day and at night. The sun is also a star. So, we all know that we can see many things in the sky. We can see the sun, we can see the moon, we can see the stars twinkling in the sky, right? So, the sun is also a star. Why do the stars come out only at night? Okay, so you need to find it out that why do the stars come out only at night? And are the stars really that small the way they appear? So why do the stars appear only at night? See, the stars do have the stars in the sky during the daytime also, but when it is dark the stars twinkle, then we are able to see their light because during the daytime the sun is so bright that we cannot see the stars shining, right? And as the sun sets, there is dark, we can see the stars twinkling in the sky. And let me tell you one more thing, that the stars are far, far away from us. This is the reason they appear to be very small, very tiny, right? Okay, coming to the next, we have the exercise based on the chapter. Which of the following words is correctly spelled? So, which is the correct spell of mountain? Absolutely correct, the B part. Next, which of the following means the same as nap? So, nap is a short sleep. Now, coming to the next, we need to take the correct option. You cannot count the stars in the sky, toys you have, shoes you have. So, what is that which cannot be counted? Very good, the stars in the sky. Mother wanted the little child to drink milk, to go to sleep or go to play. Which is the correct option? B1, to go to sleep. Now we need to answer the following questions. What was the problem with the little child? So, yes, the problem with the little child was that he wanted to count the stars in the sky. With whom did the little child stand? So, it was the little child was standing with his mom. Can you count the stars in the sky? Do you feel that you can count the stars in the sky? Okay, so now today what you will do is you will all go out either in your balconies or on the terrace and you'll try counting the stars, right? Okay. So that was all. I hope you all enjoyed the poem. It was a short, sweet poem. So read it once again. Go through the exercises. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Happy learning.